Hello, brothers and sisters. My name is Yumna. This YouTube channel is dedicated to those who are interested in learning Arabic, including new Muslims who wish to learn Arabic to read the Quran fluently. The channel is organized into different courses. By completing these courses, you'll be able to read, write, listen, and speak Arabic confidently. The first course we'll be offering is focused on reading and it's called Noor Al Bayan. The reading course will be divided into different levels. The first level consists of 7 sessions, during which we will memorize all the Arabic letters. There are 28 Arabic letters in total. I want to share something personal. I tend to get bored quickly, so I prefer getting information in a concise format. That's why my videos will be short and focused. I hope you'll enjoy following along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel for all the latest videos.